Struggling to manage your WhatsApp contacts and group details? Exporting them manually takes too much time and effort. Meet WassupBot, your one-stop solution to download, organize, and manage all WhatsApp contacts and groups in just a click. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use WassupBot's Export tab features. Let's dive into the powerful functionalities together. Export all contacts. Now click on All Contacts to proceed. You have multiple options here. Download contacts, send messages, create group. To download contacts, simply click on Download. An Excel file will be generated with the selected contacts. After exporting the contacts, you'll be amazed at how beautifully WassupBot arranges the data in the Excel file. Each row in the spreadsheet presents a contact with detailed information, ensuring a comprehensive overview of your exported contacts. Name: you'll find the contact's name elegantly displayed in the first column, allowing you to quickly identify each individual. Phone number: the next column showcases the phone number of each contact, organized neatly for easy access. Profile name: for added convenience, WassupBot includes the contact's profile name in a separate column, ensuring you have all the relevant information at your fingertips. Is blocked: in another column, you'll see a status indicator labeled Is blocked. This feature allows you to identify whether a contact is blocked or not. Is business account: WassupBot also provides a clear distinction between business and non-business accounts in a dedicated column, helping you identify business-related contacts effortlessly. Is enterprise account? To further enhance your contact management, WassupBot includes a column that indicates whether a contact is associated with an enterprise account. Now let's take a look about downloading participants of Group 2. First, click on the group. Now a drop-down will appear. From the drop-down options, choose all the desired groups you wish to download participants from. Now simply click on the Download button. As the download completes, you'll be presented with a neatly organized Excel file containing essential details about the group participants. Name: it displays the name saved in your contact address book for each participant. Phone number: the column showcases the phone numbers of all the group participants. Profile name: here you'll find the profile name set by other users whose phone numbers are included in the group. Is admin: this column indicates whether a participant is an admin or not. Is creator: it shows whether a participant created the group or not. Is participant: this column indicates whether a participant is still an active member of the group, or if they have left or been removed by an admin. Is blocked: this column shows whether you have blocked a particular participant or not. Is business: the column indicates whether a participant's account is categorized as a business account. Is enterprise: this column shows whether a participant's account is associated with an enterprise account. Or you can click on Send Message to initiate direct communication with the selected contacts. WassupBot's Send tab opens with the pre-written numbers contacts you've chosen. Likewise, you can create a group by clicking on Create Group. WassupBot's Group tab opens with the pre-written numbers/contacts for easy group setup. Now you can put desired name and create group of your own. And there you have it. You've learned how to utilize WassupBot's Export tab features effectively. And that's how simple it is to manage your WhatsApp contacts and groups with WassupBot. Stay organized, save time, and enjoy a smarter WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching.